Yes, today there is a typhoon here in Manila, so the rain is so very strong and wind. There are many trees. It fall down and look at the guys, the climate. I will get the cellphone. Ako, kunin yung cellphone. Cellphone na natin. Alam ni mama yan, cellphone mo. Samsung. Inaayos ko. Like ganun. Okay guys, the rain is so very strong. Look. There are many areas very flood because of the typhoon and strong rain. I want to go to the repair shop because may Samsung cellphone not open. Ha? Ba't mo pa ba? Yan. Ang galis ha? Lang. Wait a minute guys. 60 ha? Parang mahal sa iba. Sa iba nga 50 lang. Siya. Okay guys, super rain and the typhoon is signal number 2 in Manila. Okay. I'll bring this to the repair shop. Guys, even though there's a typhoon here guys, I want to bring this cell phone because I use it for my vlog, a video, just like that. The wind is so very strong guys. Look, you can hear the sounds of rain and because of the strong typhoon. It's cloudy guys because of the typhoon and the rain. But the repair shop guys is near here in Barracks. This place, they bring this to the place. The name of the place is Miramonte. Okay, near in Soldiers Subdivision. So, look at the repairman guys is inside their house, so I need to bring my cell phone because I use it for my making a video. Okay guys, after this I will go to my comrade because I have something to do. Things. Ako po! Kaya ano, papatay-patay? Oo, hindi ka sa battery yan. Kasi pag pinasarge ko, hindi na gano'n, hindi na full charge eh. Okay. Bayan ako yan. Okay. Lupat yata, hindi ko pa na-charge siya kaya eh. When it comes to you, there's another woman in love. Heat on a spoon, fire out of control. There's another thing. rain so very strong, guys. So I'm here in repair shop. Okay. Ayun na siya. Ay lang. Ay tumay lang. Okay guys, because why the rain is very strong because of the typhoon. So many places there's a flood. There are many buses, jeep, tricycle that cannot drive because of the flood. Maybe Malaki, Malabotas, Malabon, Quezon City. Even though here in Caloocan City, guys, there's the highway flood. Waiting for wait a minute guys, I will catch up. Simula ang salpukan, mapula, mukhang tinamaan, nagewang-gewang, sa isang iglap lang, ako'y kinabahan. Manok na pula, nang dahil sa isang pagsasabong, pera ay tinali na. Umuwi sa may bahay, ako'y matamlay, ubos ang money. Darling, I'm sorry. Okay guys, wait a minute. Come on. Ay, pre, yung daw, yung kay Bobby. Sino pumasok? Baka kasi, grabe, baka ito sa meron. Ito, pag ano, nakulot ng video, bumagsak pa yung ano, napakalaking ano.
Ano oras bumagsak?
Siguro 10. Pagbalik namin, bagsak na yung ano eh, puno eh.
Dapat nire-report mo na kami, vlog mo na lahat ng baka dyan.
Yes guys, thank you very much. Okay, kami. I'll go show guys. Okay guys, I will get these things. I will give this to the father of my friend. Yeah, I think this is a food. Okay. Look at this guys. I will show you how. Oh my gosh. Look at that guys. Nice. May compare. Yun na yan. It's her name. Okay guys. Okay guys. I'll go to the house of the father of my compadre because I will bring this food inside the plastic bag. Look at that guys. Can you see that guys? Yeah. Okay. So if you look the surrounding guys, there are many trees that is broken or yeah, ano yung basta guys. Okay guys, balikan ko lang guys, siguro po guys, samahan nyo ko sa pupunta just to bring this relief goods. Yeah, a little inside the bag there's a food. Yeah guys, because it's what is in Look at this guys. Look at the flood here. Maybe I can walk. Even there is a typhoon. Look at the road. There is a flood. Look at this guys. Look. The water are so okay. We're here in Miramonte. Murant place. Okay. Oh. Look at the road guys. There's a flood here. You can see. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I can. Okay, there's typhoon. Signal number 2. Yeah. That's that guys. There's a motorcycle. They no choice because you can also get flood. I'm looking with the road. I'm looking in the road. The water is overflow because the drainage is, you know what I mean. There's a garbage someplace. Okay. Ang tinamaan magpagiwang-giwang. Okay guys, kantaan kayo guys There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you were, more than a dream. Look at this. Oh guys, there's a typhoon. Look at that guys, kid. Okay, hi to my vlog, Ronald Bicol vlog. Follow nyo ako Ronald Bicol, B-I-C-O-L. Okay, thank you. Sige. Lapit kayo. Ronald Bicol vlog. Ronald Bicol vlog. Ronald Bicol vlog. YouTube. Okay, bye-bye. Abangan nyo na lang sa mamaya upload ko to. Thank you. Guys, hindi ko tuloy sa kaulan. Napadaan. Wish. Guys, there are many kids playing in the streets. And they are playing and they're running even though the typhoon is coming down. Okay guys.
Shoutout sa mama ko, nandito na ako, sa Mindanao.
Yeah, nasa Mindanao guys. What's your name guys?
My name is James Rizon Barakel Salentes, anak ni Yotni.
Yeah. Okay, sino pa? Sino pa gusto magbate yan?
Wait lang, babatiin ko kapatid ko. Happy birthday pala sa kapatid ko, Yoji Martinote.
Okay. How about you guys?
How about you guys?
Guys.
How about you guys? Yo, friend. How about you guys?
Okay, follow nyo YouTube pa. Like, comment, and push the bell, subscribe.
Ang pangalan ano?
Ronald Bicol Vlog.
Ronald Bicol Black.
Vlog. Vlog sa YouTube. Vlog.
Kala Ronald Bicol Black eh.
Vlog. Vlog.
Bicol Vlog.
Vlogger.
Ronald Bicol Vlog. Okay.
Okay guys, bye-bye and God bless you all guys.
Tara tayo. Tama tayo sa pag-vlog ito. Wait lang, may shoutout pa ako.
Shoutout lang.
Shoutout sa tatay ko. Sipag-sipag niya. Okay, happy birthday. Balik. What's up mga ka-adik?
Yeah. Okay. Guys, they greet their father because today is his birthday. Okay guys. Hoy! Okay, shout out. Okay guys. The typhoon is signal number 2 guys in Manila. So that's all. Please subscribe and please support us. Don't forget to write a comment. Okay. There's a thunder guys. Ooh. Look at the roads. There's a little flood here. I am going to the father of my friend, and I bring this a little relief goods guys. Yeah. Samahan nyo guys ha. Ito. Medyo malapit na. Typhoon number 2 here in Manila. The wind is so very strong. There's the thunder. Many places are ready. Okay. Okay, I'm walking just to bring this goods guys. Ayan guys. Okay. Shout out to my wife Elsa Camacho Oquinda. Yeah, also to my kids, Hazel Jane Oquinda and Harold James Oquinda and Cedric Jason Oquinda, Pedroel J. Camacho Oquinda. Oh yeah. Hello there. Ay masyal. Ingat kayo palagi, mahal tayo lahat. Ito. I'm walking.
Vlog, hello vlog.
Yeah.
Vlog, hello vlog.
Yeah, what's your name
Hello,
guys?
vlog.
Oh, hello daw guys. Hello vlog daw. It's okay. It's okay guys. Oops. Yeah. Yes, Arkel. Oh. The rain so very strong and heavy wind. Just what is within me. Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go. And so you leave me now. You fall and hurt me still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. You are not what you might call what a Christian after all. And so our love, temptation find its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, without all my own understanding. We just forget you won't give me what I can take. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. Ooh, ooh, my Lord. Look at this. Hey guys. What? Ayan, ba? Another song that I will sing to my followers and viewers. Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. muli kang nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko. Hinding hirap at ting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa at iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Okay guys, that's all, and please subscribe, watch my video, and don't forget to push the button. Okay, God bless you all, and to all my viewers, subscribers, thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye-bye, and God bless you all. Ingat tayo palagi.